Good morning. Today is day 85 of the 100-day project. Hubby has gone off this morning to run some errands, which is really nice time for me to make videos. It means it's nice and quiet around here, hopefully. Of course, the air conditioner will come on because it's so warm around here. But I decided that I would just try to work on my project this morning and see how it goes. I have all of these little pieces of paper that have been laying on my table, and I just kind of picked them up, and I'm going to try to use some of them this morning. We'll see how it goes. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. So it sounds like I have a little froggy in my throat, but anyways, guys, I'm going to just get busy here and work on the project, and I'll talk to you towards the end. I hope you enjoy watching. I'm sorry, everybody. I hope that wasn't out of frame for too long. Let's see here. I made a big boo-boo when I decided I had made those circles in the scribbles, and I didn't like the circles in the scribbles, and so I was going to erase the circles. Well, make sure your eraser is clean if you go to erase something, because the eraser just slimed everything everywhere. It took a while to get some of it off. I'm okay with it now, and it's all right. but dang, for a while there, I was really sweating it because it was making such a big mess. The other thing is I have graphite all over my hands, and therefore it was getting all over everywhere else. Which grungy I like, but there's a point where it's just getting dirty because of your not being able to keep them clean. So I'm very happy with it now. Today's day 85. Yeah, day 85. And I'm going to finish up the day with a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity book. Fall in love with creativity, and it will fall in love with you too. I guess that is very, very true. So I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you can make some art. Go have fun. Bye-bye.